Okay guys, I'm sorry. This video you're catching me in midstream. What I'm doing with these wheels is for Mercedes. These wheels were initially silver. They had a machine finish. It was a two-tone silver. It's a Mercedes. What we're doing here, we powder coated the wheels black. Then we came back and we taped up where the machine finish faces were and the lip around, and we taped it up and we dropped in the red, the color that matched the car. I'll show you the car in just a minute. Now this wheel, we're cleaning up the lines and we're getting ready to drop an English color clear. It's a really brilliant, really thick, really high quality clear. Now this is the wheel before we drop the clear, and here's the wheel after we drop the clear. Look at that wheel, that's beautiful. Let me stand that up just a little bit so you can see it, the beauty of that. Look at that wheel. That's a two-tone custom paint. Look at those lines, they're straight, factory looking. This is what we do. Let me show you the car. So we do a lot of custom work for wheels here at Houston Wheel Repair. I'm going to show you the Mercedes, okay? You can see we got a garage full of wheels. We're going to polish these wheels. We're getting ready to black out these Lincoln wheels. So there's a big dually truck. We're going to fix some bends in these wheels. So any type of wheel we can do. But here's Lincoln with some swingers, elbows as they call it. We're going to do those black. Somebody spray can painted them and messed them up. We're going to fix it for it. But here's the Mercedes. This is a Mercedes. We painted the wheels to match the color of the car, okay? And we did the calipers in Ferrari red as well. So if you want to have custom wheels on your car, bring it to HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. Now this Jaguar, we're doing something special for the Jaguar. The Jaguar had flat black wheels with some plastic inserts. So we ordered the paint from Jaguar. We're going to paint the inserts to match the color of the car. We took the flat black and we powder coated the wheels gloss black. So let me show you the gloss black wheels, okay? So we powder coat the wheels gloss black. I'm going to walk through our garage. Sorry for all the wheels. I mean, we're jam-packed during coronavirus times. I mean, we stay busy because we're one of the best in town. This is the Jaguar wheels in gloss black, okay? If you can see, they're black, and these little pockets is where the inserts go. You can see where the inserts screw back in. Now, we're going to paint those inserts to match the color of the car. I will show you the finished product on these wheels. They're going to be beautiful. It's going to blend in, it's going to match, it's going to be very aesthetically pleasing. So, HoustonWheelRepair.org, mywheeldoctor.com. This is another reason why we are the best. 713-942-0294.